M0FXB, so here we are with our network radio using Blue DV Ambi server. Working great, and then we've got the DV stick here mini, which is actually plugged into my PC using what they call the Ambi server to go on to C4FM, D-Star and DMR. And right now we're on DMR talk group 91. Now we can disconnect like so, and we can change modes. We can choose, say, YSF, find somewhere like CQ UK, and then connect, and it will switch. And we're now on CQ UK. Now if you want a TX, we just tap the screen and it goes red. We tap again for receive. And it's working great. Let me just show you the server running on my PC. It's just an app, a program from, thanks to David, PA7LIM, Blue DV. I'm just going to show you that now. And then I'll show you the settings in the actual network radio that I'm using here. So that's a network radio. And I'll just move it around here so you can see what I mean. So there you are, network radio. And we're not tied to any wires. It's completely wireless using my Wi-Fi, as you can see. We can get it this way around, I think. And the volume's nice and loud and clear, and good audio reports as well. So let's just show you the software on my PC. So we know PA7LIM does lots of software like Peanut and Blue DV. Well, one of the ones he does is called Blue DV Windows with Ambi Server. And what this allows you to do is to download the program, and it allows you to plug your DV-Stick.30 into your PC, and then use your Wi-Fi to allow you to play radio, D-Star, DMR, and all the modes, yeah, via your PC. So the software, that when you run the software, actually, I'll show you what the link looks like when you're on it. It just looks like that. But when you run it, you just get this small little window here, and the things that you do is you add the COM port where the USB dongle is connected. So you just go to Device Manager. So right click at the bottom, Device Manager, find your COM port number in ports, and it's number 18 for me. And just in the software, just make sure you've got this part is found automatically, the Ambi connection automatic. You need on here to have serial port COM18, same as what you've got on the PC, baud rate 460800 for the DV stick, and then UDD port 2460, which is in the Android software. Now let's go back to the Android device. So in the Android device, if we disconnect by just clicking disconnect like that, then we can go into setup. And if we start from the bottom, you get your call sign, your DMR number. I've put my call sign again. I have everything else here I haven't touched. DMR master I've put in I've done the drop down and I've selected 234 and GB. I've put in a password for self-care, Brandmeister. Keep going. There are other passwords, but I haven't done any of them. I haven't touched the DMR master for now. Fusion I haven't touched. Now here it is important, because if you can do this using a cable, but if you want to do it using the server Wi-Fi, you need to just do the drop down and select not OTG, which is the cable, but Ambi server. And then you need the IP address of the actual computer that you are connected to. And the way you do this is to open a command port and type in IP config. So in your little search, put in CMD and then hit enter. And you'll get the command window. And now type in IP config, all lowercase. Hit enter and you'll see your IP address under the IPv4 address. On mine it's 168.0.113, 192.168.0.113. So in the Android phone setting, you need to just get that in there as well. The Ambi server port is 2460. I didn't change that. Scroll up, RX colors and TX colors. Yeah, I slid that across. Sound select auto for now, and then click submit. And that way you're all connected. Now you can change your audio settings here by tapping Ambi, and it depends which mode you're in, but it's all there for the different kind of device, D-Star, DMR, and C4FM, etc. Okay, So that's all good. And then you hit connect. And if you've done it correctly, it will say connect in, connected. When you actually want to connect, you then hit the phone here. And that's us going into YSF. If you want to disconnect, like so, just go YSF here, choose something like, let's do reflector, see if it allows us to select 30. I noticed earlier it was a bit fiddly on D-Star, but I'm pretty sure it would do it. Anyway, D-Star's not working great at the moment. Let's try DMR again. DMR 91, and then connect. And like I said, to transmit, you just go M0 FXB test. Make sure you select a G up here at the top. And then away you go. So let me know how you get on with this. Like I said, it's a wireless system.
W3 LUX, Whiskey 3 Lima Uniform X-Ray. Well, good afternoon.
Let's just see if the PTT works.
One.
Logging.
SVA.
Maybe.
In South Africa. You're coming into talk group.
I think it probably would. You might have to select it. So anyway,
you're making
7.3. Thanks for watching my channel. I've tried it with a cable, an OTG cable, which would go in here. And then you plug the dongle in here. But at the moment, I haven't got that working. I'm now going to try it on my N60. So N60 next video. Bye for now.